Hello! Welcome to our vlog!
Napakabilis ng panahon, no? Kasi malapit na mag 1 year si Maria sa kanyang swimming lesson. At saka, until now, nasa level 3 pa rin siya. Uy! Are you eating lollipop? What's food today? Oh, it's warm. I'm gonna call your name. Are you excited? Are you excited? Hmm?
Yeah, honey? It says lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon lime, it says.
I'm gonna call your name. Behave, okay? Stay in the safety dot, okay? Get to the movie.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, honey? Are you okay, Dad? Kaya nga, tinawag na si Maria ng kanyang coach. Tapos, dalawa lang sila last Saturday na nag-ano ng swimming class. Napakabait ng kanyang coach at saka napaka kids-friendly talaga nila doon sa Aquatos. Lahat ng mga crews nila, lahat ng mga, tama ba yun? Lahat ng mga coaches there, napaka-friendly. So, yung red at saka yung upo ni Maria, tinatawag yan na safety dot. So, they need to listen and they need to sit still on their safety dot pag hindi sila, but hindi nila turn na mag-swimming. Kasi pag hindi sila nakinig sa sa coach, then they cannot get any coins. So that is a safety dot, yung circle na hinawakan ni Maria. So that time, I think the water is warm, a little bit warm. Kasi last Saturday, nung last Saturday pa, nagreklamo si Maria kasi sobrang lamig daw ng water. So I think they forgot to turn on the heater that time. So, yan lang. It's actually 30 minutes. Tapos, merong makeup class si Maria nung sa first video ko. Yun naman yung coach niya sa first video. Ayun nga, ang tagal-tagal ni Maria umakyat. Ewan ko. She's listening or she's busy looking for something. Ewan ko. Maybe busy siya sa pagtitingin ng kanyang daddy sa salamin. Mabigat kasi yung katawan niya. So, yan, kahaon na din siya sa tubig finally. Good job! So, they always make sure to give high five sa mga bata para naman maging sila, ganado sila na follow the instructions. So, yan, it's her turn to jump again. Okay, very good. So, gusto niya yung mag-jump. Ayaw na yung nahawakan ayaw niya pag hinahawakan siya. You okay? So, andito pala si Maria, kumakain siya ng yogurt. Ayan, go up, Maria! Tagal-tagal makaano. Sige, go! You can do it, honey! Go! Si Maria, nasa mga, pag busog siya, nasa mga 38 pounds. Pag normal, walang kain, nasa mga lang, 36, 37. So, yan. Sobrang happy naman niya pag nasa-swimming siya, walang problema. But sometimes, pag talaga, yung back-to-back na swimming, parang na-overwhelm talaga yung bata. So, minsan, hindi nakikinig. So, but this time, ito na yung last na makeup class niya. This is actually her first class, 8:50, napakaaga. And it's located at Chandler Aquatos Swim School. And then, actually, before, medyo mura lang sila. Tapos this year, nag-increase sila ng kanilang presyo. So, yan. Medyo nakikiliti siya kasi yung kanyang, meron siyang nakikiliti siya sa kanyang tenga. So, pag tinatouch yan, ewan ko, para siya, hindi niya maintindihan yung kanyang feelings. So, basta may kiliti siya dyan. And she needs to practice more on that floating chicken rocket star. So, meron silang mga dyan, ganyan niya position na dapat nilang i-follow sa kanilang coach. So, yan, I think it's a good benefit naman for the kids to go for swimming lesson kasi wala naman kasi ibang activity si Maria aside from this. And also, weekend lang din kami talaga nakakalabas kasi I don't know how to drive. And then, that's a off day of my husband. So, we went there almost 30 to 45 minutes. Minsan sa highway kasi kami dumadaan. So, sobrang bilis lang ng doon. And then, yun na nga. Tapos na sila sa kanilang first class. Sa kanyang first class na 8:50. 30 minutes only. Sobrang bilis ng 30 minutes, guys. And then, magsha-shower yan sila doon. Yan lang po. Thank you for watching.